Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the EPC-13CA, a 6.5-quart stainless steel electric pressure cooker that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EPC-13CA? This electric pressure cooker combines the functionality of a traditional pressure cooker, a rice cooker, and a thermal cooker all in one sleek, stainless steel design. With a generous 6.5-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves meal prepping. One of the standout features of this pressure cooker is its quick release button. With just the push of a button, you can quickly and safely release the pressure, making cooking times more efficient and less stressful. It's also equipped with a grade 304 stainless steel inner pot, ensuring durability and even heat distribution for your meals. The EPC-13CA offers 6 adjustable cooking programs, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're cooking stews, soups, or even rice up to 12 cups of uncooked rice, the versatility of this appliance is impressive. Plus, with a keep warm mode and a manual cook time of up to 6 hours, you can set it and forget it, which is ideal for busy lifestyles. Safety is also a top priority with the EPC-13CA. It features a safety lid lock that prevents accidental opening when the cooker is pressurized, giving you peace of mind while you cook. On top of that, it has a 24-hour delay cooking timer, which allows you to plan meals in advance, perfect for those who like to have dinner ready when they get home from work. This pressure cooker is perfect for anyone from busy parents to college students or even seasoned cooks looking to save time in the kitchen. If you're trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, the EPC-13CA is designed to preserve nutrients and vitamins while effectively eliminating harmful microorganisms in your food. Imagine coming home after a long day, placing your ingredients in the cooker, setting the timer, and having a delicious, nutritious meal waiting for you. Or, if you're hosting a family gathering, you can whip up large batches of your favorite dishes without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. The EPC-13CA makes it easier than ever to prepare home-cooked meals that everyone will love. In summary, the EPC-13CA is a multifunctional, efficient, and safe cooking appliance that can enhance your culinary adventures. Its blend of convenience and versatility makes it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget